Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix a declined corporate card transaction in Ramp. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the transactions page. So you have to log into Ramp on your browser and click on transactions in the left sidebar. Now from there, you have to find the row marked with the red decline tag. Next is read the decline reason. So click on the declined transaction to open the detail panel on the right. So the red banner tells you what exactly is failed. Next is request a limit increase. So click on request limit increase and then enter the new amount in the short justification. Then submit it to your admin. Next is check the card's policy restrictions. So go to the cards, open the affected card and review its category and merchant's rules. So a blocked category also causes declines. Lastly is retry the payment. Now once the approval notification appears, ask the merchant to run the charge again so the transaction now shows as cleared. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!